Good morning, Minnie Mouse. How are you today? Good morning, my dear teacher and friends. I'm so happy to see you. Me too, Minnie Mouse. Welcome to our math class. Today, we are going to solve a problem by applying the review vocabulary about divisions of one-digit numbers. Also, we are going to learn how to estimate quotients in those kinds of divisions. Oh, that sounds so interesting, Minnie Mouse. Yeah, that's right. You are going to have a lot of fun with us. Okay, my friends, pay attention to Teacher Jamie. She's going to explain you what you have to do in your math book. Thank you, Minnie Mouse. You're welcome, my teacher. Okay, my dear students, division of one-digit numbers. Point number 1. Desarrolla el problema de la página 324 del math book usando el vocabulario de repaso. Point number 2. Resuelve las divisiones 1 de la página 336 y 2, 3 y 4 de la página 337 del Mathbook. My dear students, open your Mathbook in page 324. Review vocabulary, dividend, divisor, and quotient. Making connections. Read the word problem. Use the review vocabulary to describe what each number represents. A local pond is home to 36 Canada geese. They live in groups. Each group has 9 geese. How many Canada geese groups are there? So, remember, we have 36 Canada geese living in a local pond. They live in groups. Each group has 9 geese. So 36 divided by 9, you are going to look for a number that you multiply by 9 and it is close or equal to 36. So 36 is the dividend, 9 is the divisor, the answer is the quotient, and the leftover is the remainder. The total number of Canada geese is, you are going to write the answer of the division. This number represents the, choose dividend, divisor, or quotient. There are, you are going to write the number here, Canada geese in each group. This number represents the, you are going to choose dividend, divisor, of quotient. The number of groups living in the pond represents the, you are going to choose dividend, divisor, of quotient. Okay, write and solve a division sentence about the word problem. You are going to write the division here and you are going to circle the quotient or the answer. Estimate quotients. When you are going to estimate quotients, you have to look for compatible numbers. Okay? It means that you are going to look for the closest numbers that are easy to compute mentally. For instance, we are going to develop the division number 1 in page 336, okay? So, 161 divided by 4 equal. We are going to look for a number that is near or close to 161. 160 is close to 161. Okay? So we're going to divide 160 by 4 in this way. we are going to take two numbers in the dividend and one digit number here. You are going to look for a number that you multiply by 4 that it is equal or near to 16. So, how many times does the number 4 go into 16? 4. 4 times 4 equal 16. To 16, 0. And we bring the number 0 down. How many times does the number 4 go into the number 0? 0. 0 times 4 equals 0. 2, 0, 0. So you are going to check the division. Remember, 160 is the dividend. Number 4 is the divisor. Number 40 is the quotient. And number 0 here is the remainder. So for checking the division, you are going to multiply 4 times 40. 4 times 40 equal 160. 4 times 40. 4 times 0 equals 0. 4 times 4 equals 16. You are going to go to page 337 and you are going to solve these divisions. But remember, you are going to estimate the quotients by looking for the close number to each one of these dividends. So, number 2, 123 divided by 3 equal. Number 3, 244 pesos divided by 6 equal. Number 4, 162 divided by 2 equal. And you're going to check the answer. Okay, that's all, my dear students. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye, Minnie Mouse. Goodbye, everybody. See you the next class.